What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I finally got my Spigen case for my Galaxy Z Fold 2, and I've been using it for about a day or so. I got it in. I know that the Spigen cases has been on back order. So a lot of you guys that's already ordered the Spigen case for your Galaxy Z Fold, I'm going to give you my thoughts about it. Also, I have the original Samsung case that came in really fast. I paid a lot of money for this one. So we're going to go over both of these cases, and I'm going to give you my thoughts about these cases. Sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So a lot of you guys been hunting for cases for your Galaxy Fold for a very long time. For some strange reason, this device came out. It didn't have a case in the box, but a lot of you guys been ordering cases for your device. Samsung had a case that only fits the back, but not the front. So a lot of you guys was concerned about the front. Now Spigen has a case that protects the front and the back. All right, so this case right here is going to cost you about $34. This leather case from Samsung going to cost you about 80 bucks. I got it on sale at Verizon Wireless for about 50, 60 bucks. But all in all, you definitely need some protection on your device. Listen, man, this phone costs $2,000. It don't matter how much the case costs. I would highly recommend you get some kind of case for the device. You're not rolling in the wild with a $2,000 phone butt naked, because if you drop it, it's done. But let's go and talk about this case here. Now, for this case, which is the leather case, this is a whole lot better material than the Spigen case. The Spigen case is basically all plastic, which is nice, right? It does have a beautiful look to it, and it's paired up with the front cover. Now, the front cover is something that you definitely need because it works very well, especially if if this device falls, you're going to get some protection because it has a nice little lip on it. Now, let's talk about some of the gripability here. You definitely get some gripability here, and it feels really good. It won't slip out of your hand. One of the things about the front cover, and this comes in two pieces again, that it does have double stick tape that you stick right here. That keeps the case on. So I don't want to take it off because I got the double stick tape on here and I don't want to take it off. But you do have a very good lip on here that's going to protect the front glass. Now, another question you guys may ask, if you use a glass screen protector on here, I don't think that it's going to work with a glass screen protector because, as you know, glass screen protectors, I'm going to put my code in. The glass screen protectors protect the glass, and it gives a raise on the display, and this won't work because this here wants to be a little flush with the display. So I like the back cover here of the Samsung versus the Spigen. The Spigen is okay, it's all plastic, but as far as the material, the Samsung material is going to be totally different. The Samsung material is a little more premium. As you can see, the Samsung material is a little more premium than the plastic Spigen. So all in all, I would probably go with the back cover. Since I bought both of them, I would go with the back cover of the Galaxy one here, and I'll go from there. And it blends in really good, so you're not gonna have any issues there. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from AskEazyComputerSolutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Spigen case, which is highly recommended, or the Samsung case, which you just only want to protect the back. Now, if you want to protect the back and you want to put a glass screen protector on the front, that works also. But get some type of protection for your device. You do not want to drop this $2,000 phone. Insurance or no insurance, you still don't want to drop this phone. See you guys on the next video. Peace.